So another key part of airflow is to make sure the fire pot's clean. If it's too full, it won't get good airflow to the fire and can lead to heating issues. So we recommend about every 2 to 3 bags to clean out that fire pot, just because if it's too full, it can affect airflow and you can just lead to issues down the road. So you want to make sure that's clean. One of the nice key features on these Green Mountain grills is we have an ash-vac door that makes cleaning out the fire pot easy without having to take everything out of the grill. This little door opens up right here, and all you need is a shop vac to stick on the end, and it'll suck all the ash out of the fire pot for you without having to take the heat shield and grease tray out of the unit. Another important thing is pellet quality. If the pellets have been left in the hopper for 30, 60 days, they could break down, and that could affect how the grill operates. So if you go through a component check, you start the grill up and you watch it feed pellets into the fire pot, if you notice that they're crumpled up and sawdusty, that's a sign that they may not burn well and you could have issues. What we recommend doing at that point is clean out the entire hopper, vacuuming it out if you've got a lot of dust down there, and fill it up with fresh pellets. And then you'll want to run the grill and just see and make sure that you're getting fresh pellets coming into the fire pot to ensure that the grill is heating up and working properly. So over time, the thermal sensor can build up with gunk. It sits here out of the left inside wall. What you'll want to do is just use a Scotch-Brite or something similar that can just clean it off. You can use some simple green, make it back to that nice bronze color there. That will ensure that it's clean and working properly for you. So all these things are important, but another thing I like to point out is you'll want to make sure you use food-grade pellets. The reason being is that we know it comes from a natural source. You're not going to have these extra additives that you don't want to consume. So food-grade pellets are the way you'll want to go every time. So that wraps up the safety maintenance for a Green Mountain grill.